The White House says it will unveil new details about extended social distancing guidelines today. The president says they may even be a little tougher.
This is based on modeling that shows the peak in fatalities will not arrive for another 2 weeks. The same modeling also shows that by very vigorously following these guidelines, we could save more than 1 million American lives.
Those models, which the White House also plans to release today, show an increase in cases and deaths even with social distancing in place.
This needs to be federal guidance so that every state understands that it may look like 2 cases today that become 20, that become 200, that become 2,000. And that's what we're trying to prevent.
Members of the coronavirus task force say they're looking at possibly asking Americans to wear masks.
When we get in a situation where we have enough masks, I believe there will be some very serious consideration about more broadening this recommendation of using masks.
The White House is touting 1 million tests for the coronavirus have been performed in the U.S., but in a conference call Monday, some governors warned more testing is needed in rural areas.
We just don't have enough supplies to do the testing.
I haven't heard about testing in weeks. We've tested more now than any nation in the world, but I haven't heard about testing being a problem.
The FDA has approved a new test which can detect the coronavirus in as little as 5 minutes.
It's the same test that was used for strep throat and influenza. Now they have it for COVID-19, and they're going to be doing about 50,000 tests initially a day across the country.
Abbott Labs says it will start shipping the test tomorrow. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.